The topic is converting equations from rectangular to spherical. So let's do this example. Convert the rectangular equation x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to z, forgot to write, to spherical form. So again, all we need to get is rhos, phis, and thetas. So what do we do? If you notice, this is just rho squared. So we can rewrite that one, x squared plus y squared plus z squared, as rho squared equal 2, and my z happens to be rho cosine phi, right? Divide by rho, you get rho is equal 2 cosine of phi. Again, I'm assuming rho is not equal 0, so let's do this. Rho is not equal 0. And we'll find out if rho equals 0 if it's part of this equation. Alright, so rho equal 2 cosine phi. So let's first graph our equation. So let's rewrite that as x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2z equals 0. Again, let's complete the squared. Z squared minus 2z, we need to divide 2 by 2, which is 1, square it and add it to both sides. Now this is going to be equal to x squared plus y squared plus z minus 1 squared is equal to 1 squared. Right? So this is a sphere of center 0, 0, 1 and radius 1. So what do we do? Center, this is 1, this is 2. So this is our sphere. Think of this as a sphere. And what else? Yeah, so this is the key. So if rho is equal to 0, so the rho is always going from the center, this is rho, going from the center to the sphere. It's not a vector, it's that distance. So that's a rho. And of course, if rho is equal to 0, let me write it here. If rho is equal to 0, what do we get? We get just a sphere with radius 0. Sphere with radius 0 at, in other words, it's that point at the origin. So it is 0, 0, 0. But if you notice, it is part of rho equals 0. You can get it from the cosine. So it's included here. What is the cosine equals 0? So cosine of phi is 0 if it's pi over 2. So remember, our phi goes from 0 to pi. So if you let phi equal pi over 2, that's going to give you rho equal to cosine of pi over 2, which is 0. So don't even have to say rho is not equal to 0. This will be the equation. And rho equals 0 is included there. Alright, and that's it for this example.